Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Tuesday, the 26th of April 2016. So in the pre-market session, the market was quite volatile. We saw a 100-point drop more or less in this session. The market then rebounding 80 points. So some good volatility coming back into the market yesterday, which is surprising given that we've only got the FOMC announcement on Wednesday that's really going to move the market. It was good to see that we've got some volatility returning in the pre-market session when it's been so quiet. So then the market went short again and then sort of sideways as it waited for the official session to start at 2:30. We had one sell signal here that traded down to the target of 17,050. This is no surprise that the market found support here to bring the market back above the 18,000. You can see how it sat there looking at it and then it drove through. And I don't know what this was. It came out of the blue and we saw the market driving higher. Unfortunately, I wasn't in it at the time because I got fed up of the market trying to break through this area and took the 20-point scalp trade on that one, which is a shame. But then we had the other trade, the other short in the evening session just as we got started there. That too down to 20 points, just coming down to the scalp and not driving through there as well. And then by this time, really the market stuck in the sideways range, time to call it a day. In the daily chart, we can see they're desperate to keep this market alive. To the upside, you can see yesterday down and then back up. No real major volume. Again, the selling volume is shown, but the buying really is not in this market. So what we could do though is a rally up to the 62 or 76% fail and then get short on this after the FOMC meeting tomorrow. Today though, we've got core durable goods out at 1:30 p.m. 3 p.m. we've got consumer confidence, high impact news item 95.8, 96.2. So we're showing a drop in, or a forecast in, the consumer confidence. So it's a good job Obama's not looking at this. It'd be classed as peddling fiction, as he said a few weeks ago. Anybody that doesn't believe that the US economy is doing well is peddling fiction. So I hope these figures come out higher than forecast, otherwise there's going to be trouble for somebody putting out this sort of propaganda. MPC member Cunliffe speaks as well at 6 p.m. A bit of a non-entity, much like Carney really. The market doesn't seem to take any notice of them, and if they do, they tend to move it lower, which is odd. But then again, I suppose if they don't know what they're doing, then no surprise really. And then the implied volatility, 1191, up from 11 yesterday. And again, you can see how this is turned up now. So I think we've got the bottom in place, to be honest with you, with the implied volatility. The historic made the low, but unfortunately we didn't get back down to the 1045 that we saw in July of last year. Still chance, but it's looking a bit impossible, given that tomorrow's FOMC meeting is really going to be a non-event unless they actually come out with some sort of major announcement as well. Right, that's it for this morning. I will see you in tomorrow's. Unless there's something to report during today, I will let you know. Other than that, have a good day, and as ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.